Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Fansteck upgraded snow machine, 600 watt, snowflake making maker with wireless remote control. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because, there are features include. Upgrade materials. The snow machine is made of metal for better heat dissipation to ensure durability and a long product lifespan. Tested, approved and certified by CE, ROHS, and ETL equipped with wired remote control, it is convenient to use in various occasions, and did not injure any skin. Portable and easy to use. With its compact and lightweight design, the snow machine is highly portable. Just plug and play. Instant snow making, no preheating time. The produced snowflakes are not real, and will evaporate after 10 minutes. It is compatible with snow fluid on the market. Big capacity. Snow liquid capacity is visible and holds approximately 900 ml. Can produce up to 2000 cubic feet of snow per minute. Output distance is approximately 10 to 13 feet, creating a weird, mysterious atmosphere for holidays and parties. Widely application. If you're looking to create a snow backdrop for an event, photo shoot, the snowmaker can provide the ideal atmosphere. Available for outdoors, indoor, wedding, holidays, fiestas, DJ parties, photography, events. Making it possible to create a realistic snow scene at any time of the year. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.